Well, next year, the Super Bowl will be played in the Open Air Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey, home of the New York Giants and Jets. And of course, this time of year, you've got the cold and the wintry weather to deal with. So let's talk about the impacts of a cold weather Super Bowl. Paul Walsh is the Weather Channel's business weather expert and head of our Weather FX division. Thank you, Paul, for joining us this evening.
Hey, Kelly.
All right, first off, tell us about the financial benefits of a cold weather Super Bowl. Might the move to MetLife Field impact the game financially?
I think that the calculation here in terms of moving the game to a northern field, especially a Neuse Field in New York, is that the weather has to be really, really bad to keep people from actually coming to the game. But if the weather is marginally bad, it makes it really dramatic, and so it really helps ratings and it sort of gives you that real old school sort of football feeling. So I think that is the calculation, and really, while we may see some bad weather, the risks of a storm that would stop the game are pretty low. Although 2 years ago it did happen with our Groundhog Day storm.
Exactly. Let's talk about the downside, because we all remember the snow and all the problems it caused for Dallas, which of course hosted the Super Bowl in 2011. Yep. Could a February game outdoors impact the play?
It absolutely can, and a company called StatWeather.com has done some research that showed cold weather has a negative impact on passers' ability to make plays in terms of field goals. It increases fumbles. So overall, there is a significant impact in terms of the points scored. It also would benefit northern teams, which means that my 49ers, when they're back to repeat the Super Bowl victory next year, may have a bit of a challenge.
There you go. We'll have to see about that. But also there's the safety aspect of it too, not just for the players, but for the fans as well.
Absolutely. Now, from a player perspective, the fields, I was talking to Amy Bracken, who's an expert on turf systems with Liberty Tire, and the systems now are so good that there's little impact on the players unless there is a 7 or 12-inch snowfall, which is, if that happens, that'll shut the game down. But there is a safety impact for fans driving into the game, staying warm, slipping and sliding and things like that. Plus, the fans are going to make it to the game no matter what. So it becomes dangerous for that reason.
Especially if my New York Giants make it next year, Paul. All right, thank you so much for joining us from 30 Rock this evening.